Okay guys, so today I'm gonna show you how we're gonna replace the windscreen wiper on your W203 Mercedes Benz. This process is the same for the W211 and the W221, as well as the Audi A4 B7, which was available from 2003 to 2007. So here I'm gonna show you the process. Okay, so you can see these two clips in the wiper. So one here and one there in the passenger side. So what we do is just unhook this here and then pull it out. Okay? So we go to the other side. And then this clip, this just pulls out. And then we lift this arm, then we leave it up. And we leave the wiper. So we're gonna install the two wipers. So once we pull it in, we just push it in the tab and then push the clip in. So it's gonna clip shut, and we're gonna install the other set. There you go. You've already replaced your wipers.